Hello, ladies. Nice to meet you.
I'm glad to be here.
Hello to all who are watching.
In a world that often feels disconnected and chaotic, the role of a spiritual coach emerges as a beacon of hope and guidance. As more individuals embark on their journeys of self-discovery and spiritual seeking, the challenge for spiritual coaches is not just to guide, but also to effectively convey the intangible value of spiritual connection. In a world that often feels disconnected and chaotic, the role of a spiritual coach emerges as a beacon of hope and guidance. As more individuals embark on their journeys of self-discovery and spiritual seeking, the challenge for spiritual coaches is not just to guide, but also to effectively convey the intangible value of spiritual connection. This exploration begins with understanding the landscape of spirituality in today's society.
Over recent years, there has been a noticeable rise in spiritual seeking. People are increasingly drawn to practices like mindfulness, energy healing, and ancient wisdom traditions. This surge is driven by various factors, including the fast-paced nature of modern life, a growing awareness of mental health, and a collective yearning for deeper meaning and connection. Individuals from diverse demographics are seeking guidance, whether they're looking for stress relief, a connection to nature, or a deeper understanding of their life's purpose. However, amidst this growing interest lies the ethical concern of the commodification of spirituality. As spiritual practices become commercialized, it's essential for coaches to navigate this landscape with integrity, ensuring that their services do not exploit the vulnerabilities of those seeking solace.
The unique position of a spiritual coach is to facilitate connection and growth. This role requires a delicate balance of authenticity and professionalism. Establishing a foundation of trust is paramount. Clients must feel safe and supported in their spiritual exploration. This begins with authenticity and integrity. Spiritual coaches must approach their practice with genuine intentions, ensuring that their business practices align with their spiritual values. Establishing credibility is equally important. By showcasing expertise through testimonials, qualifications, and a strong online presence can help potential clients feel more comfortable in their decision to seek guidance.
Empathy and compassion are the cornerstones of effective coaching. Creating a safe, non-judgmental space allows clients to explore their spirituality without fear of criticism. Pause. It's crucial for coaches to listen deeply, validating the experiences and emotions of their clients and guiding them gently on their journeys. This empathetic approach fosters a sense of belonging and understanding, which can be transformative in itself.
Crafting a compelling message is where the art of spiritual coaching truly comes into play. Identifying a specific niche within the vast realm of spirituality can help coaches define their ideal clients. Whether focusing on stress relief, personal growth, or connection to nature, a clear understanding of one's niche allows for targeted communication. Articulating the benefits of spiritual connection is essential. Potential clients need to understand how working with a coach can facilitate their transformation. Storytelling becomes a powerful tool here. Sharing personal experiences and client success stories can illustrate the profound impact of spiritual coaching, making the intangible tangible.
Marketing these services requires a careful approach. Ethical marketing practices are crucial. Spiritual coaches must navigate the fine line between promoting their services and respecting the sacredness of spirituality. Utilizing social media can be an effective way to connect with potential clients, but it's important to share valuable content that resonates with their audience. Networking and collaborating with other professionals in the wellness and spirituality space can also enhance visibility and credibility.
Creating a transformative client experience is the heart of spiritual coaching. Tailoring the coaching approach to meet the unique needs and goals of each individual is vital. Holding space for growth involves guiding clients through their spiritual journeys with compassion and unwavering support. Empowering self-discovery is perhaps the most rewarding aspect of this work. Encouraging clients to tap into their own inner wisdom and intuition fosters a sense of agency and self-empowerment.
It's important to remember that selling spirituality is not about exploiting vulnerability or peddling false promises. It's about authentically sharing one's passion and expertise to guide others on their paths to greater self-awareness and inner peace. Upholding ethical standards, building trust, and crafting a compelling message are essential for spiritual coaches to create thriving practices that genuinely make a difference in the lives of their clients.
As we delve deeper into the strategies and ethical considerations for spiritual coaches, we'll explore specific trends in spiritual seeking, market segmentation, and how to differentiate oneself in a competitive landscape. We will discuss the importance of vulnerability and transparency in building trust, as well as the power of testimonials and case studies in establishing credibility.
Moreover, we'll address the significance of creating a clear value proposition that articulates the unique benefits coaches offer. Language matters. Using terms that resonate with the target audience while avoiding jargon can enhance communication. We'll also explore the importance of crafting compelling calls to action that encourage potential clients to take the next step.
In the realm of marketing, we'll go beyond social media to discuss website development, content marketing, and the creation of free offerings that build relationships and demonstrate value. We'll explore a range of coaching tools and techniques that can be integrated into sessions and discuss how to measure progress and provide long-term support for clients.
Finally, let's touch on legal and ethical guidelines for spiritual coaching, emphasizing the importance of self-care for coaches to avoid burnout and maintain their own spiritual well-being. Building a sustainable business is key, and we'll offer practical advice on financial management and pricing strategies.
Remember, the journey of a spiritual coach is one of profound responsibility and opportunity. By embracing ethical practices, fostering trust, and crafting meaningful connections, spiritual coaches can illuminate the paths of their clients by guiding them toward a life filled with purpose, peace, and profound spiritual connection.